Hello viewer, Gemini face, I am sorry, I am experiencing unusually high traffic right now and I am at full capacity, please try again later. Let's see how to solve this issue. Step 1. Tap and hold on Gemini app. Click on I button. Scroll down. Go to storage. From the lower corner, clear cache data from Gemini app. Now open Google Play Store. Search Gemini app. Update your Gemini app if it available. Now step 3. Open your phone setting. Go to your connection setting. From your connection setting, make sure your internet connection is stable. Step 4. If you using Gemini web version, please update your browser.